Hi, I'm Rocket, and welcome to Whiteboarding with Rocket. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about some of the tools you can use to set up virtual whiteboards for your virtual meetings. All right, today we're going to talk about hooking up an HDMI input into your computer so that it shows up like a camera, like a webcam. All right, here we go. Okay, so what we've got here is a camcorder on a tripod. Pretty straightforward. Nothing super fancy. This is an HDMI cable. This camcorder is just a decent Canon. It's aimed at this whiteboard. And it goes down and around over here to this capture card. So this is a $50 HDMI in to USB out. And then that shows up like this on your video conferencing solution. One thing you're going to want to worry about on this is to make sure you set your white balance. So if most HDMI cameras, whether they're DSLR or a camcorder, have a way to set white balance. And you want to do that so that you don't have to have huge amounts of lighting and you get a decent picture on the other side. Also, if your video conferencing software has a way to set to HD, make sure you do that so you're getting good quality on the other side. The other thing you're going to want to worry about is the length of your HDMI cable. So that has to be 15 feet or less unless you get some of the higher end fiber HDMI. I don't know. What I've done is I have a camera that's set way back over here, and I've used this Cat 6 to HDMI input. So this is a way, this can be up to 150 feet of Cat 6, and that's a great way to extend the length, and that way, you know, you're not doing this across the floor. So this was just for demonstration purposes. Anyway, so this is Rocket, and thank you. This has been another Whiteboarding with Rocket. Take care.